Ever needed a soldering iron but had no tools around? This guy just built a 1000 Celsius CC series soldering iron using regular batteries. He starts with a pencil tip. That's going to become the heating element, then adds a small switch, wires it all up to a couple of AA batteries. The setup is simple, but the reaction is wild. It gets hot fast. He touches the solder wire to the tip, and boom, it melts instantly. No plug, no iron, just batteries and brains. It may not be safe, but it works. Would you ever build something like this? Or is this DIY too dangerous?